as a former senator, I suppose I'm reasonably qualified. I disagree with that. I understand that we had to do it in COVID because there was a health risk. But I do not see any particularly good reason for us to allow it now. It seems to only be applicable to Senator Bato para makaboto si Senator Bato dahil nagtatago siya. Now, for someone who is actually a fugitive from justice, na hinahanap ng pulis, na hinahanap ng Interpol, at may arrest warrant galing sa ICC, palagay ko, hindi siya dapat pumunto. Hanggat dumating siya dun sa Senado. Kung he's willing to take the risk like he did the last time, ay ibang usapan yun. Basta't nandyan siya. So, it has been the long-standing tradition of the Senate if that you are not physically present on the floor when a vote is taken, that you cannot in fact vote. Again, COVID gave us a different outlook in terms, because we were concerned about health and safety at that point. We do not have those concerns now about health and safety.
Okay.